Okay, today we're talking about replacing an ECM motor with a PSC motor, why and how to do that. So some terminology first. There are three types of ECM motors: constant CFM, constant RPM, and constant torque. The microprocessor is the brains of the motor. The ECM motor programming is specific to each model of HVAC equipment, so programming is only done at the factory, not in the field. When the microprocessor senses increased torque, it automatically increases the speed of the motor. A faster motor creates more airflow to make sure the CFM stays consistent. Ideal airflow will be different in heating and cooling modes. The control board dip switches settings, usually set in the field, need to be set properly. When high speed is not needed, the motor can slow down, which uses less energy. A motor running at full speed uses nearly 8 times the energy of a motor running at half speed. A PSC motor, PSC stands for permanent split capacitor. A PSC motor is a single-phase motor, specifically a type of split-phase induction motor in which the capacitor is permanently connected as opposed to only being connected when starting. So why would you replace a failed ECM motor with a PSC motor? Well, say you cannot find or locate a replacement ECM motor in your area, or it's going to take too long to ship it to your facility, or it's simply too expensive. These ECM motors can range anywhere from several $100s to well over $1,000. Now, sometimes you can just replace the control module. Other times you can only buy it as one complete unit, meaning the motor and the module as one. So how exactly do you swap a failed ECM motor for a brand new PSC motor? Well, you go ahead and buy a PSC motor that has a proper nameplate rating, so proper RPM, horsepower, etc. Make sure if it doesn't come with a capacitor that you get a properly rated capacitor, and then buy this Quick Swap X3 control board. And the way this works is the wiring harness that used to land on your ECM motor, you simply plug that into the control board and then land the speed wires from your new PSC motor to this control board, including the common wire. And there's also a green wire that goes to a temperature sensor, and the instructions will tell you where and how to install that temp sensor. And that's it. You should be good to go. Woo! And lastly, just make sure you check for proper operation in both heating and cooling and fan mode. And of course, make sure the blower is spinning in the proper direction. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.